Citizen TV.
Human rights activists Boniface, Mwangi and Agather Atuhaire, alongside 7 civil society organizations, have filed a case before the East African Court of Justice. They are accusing the government of Tanzania of grave human rights violations, including enforced disappearance, torture, arbitrary detention, sexual abuse, and unlawful deportation. They're also demanding public apologies from the governments of Tanzania, Uganda, and Kenya, plus compensation of at least $1 million each, which is approximately 130 million shillings. Melita Oletenges reports.
1 month after going public with chilling accounts of abduction, sexual assault and torture, activists Boniface Mwangi and Agather Atuhaire, backed by 7 civil society groups, have taken the Tanzanian government to the East African Court of Justice. They accuse Kenya and Uganda of aiding in their illegal deportation. Among other demands, the activists seek public apologies from the 3 countries, $1 million in each compensation, rehabilitation and psychological support. In a written statement, Boniface Mwangi described the ordeal as evil, saying it was an attempt to silence them, but they refused to stay silent. They say they are in court to demand justice and expose what happened behind closed doors. David Sigano, the CEO of the East Africa Law Society, called on the court to act decisively. He said no citizen should be tortured or deported simply for observing a court trial. According to the 2 activists, they were abducted from their hotel in Dar es Salaam in May by unidentified individuals. They were taken to the Immigration Department and Central Police Station in Dar es Salaam, then later transferred to an unknown location where they were tortured and sexually abused. They were later dumped across the Tanzania border, Mwangi into Kenya, Atuhaire into Uganda. They had traveled to Tanzania to observe the treason trial of opposition figure Tundu Lissu. At no point they say what they told why they were being detained or who had ordered their removal. Melita Oletenges, Citizen TV.
We're taking a break now and we're coming back with some